Vanakkam. Continuation in the distributors slide. In the previous slide, we had a discussion regarding about meaning of distributor as well as become the requirement for becoming there the distributors. There I have mentioned here the examinations, two examination. One is the mutual fund foundation examination. Another one is their mutual fund distribution examination. Now we'll move on to the types of distributors. This is a new type of distributors is permitted by mutual fund industry from the AMFI permission. These people are going to be sell a restricted number of products to the investor, not all the products. So why it is important means it's very simple. Mutual fund schemes are it's complex. It is not just like that as we have discussed in the earlier. It's same way in the equity selection. The mutual fund scheme selection is also the so complicated because of objectives and the expectation of the investor and so on. So but in some time the investors are not going to be that much complex, and they will be expecting that investment it's in a most simple way and performing mutual fund schemes to meet the investment needs of their own. So what is the simple and performing mutual fund scheme? It is not too complicated. It is not to be in a too risky type of investments are going to be made by the companies. That kind of companies are expected by investor to keep their investment and so on. So this new type of distributors are going to be permitted to deal such a kind of the investment in companies or the schemes to introduce the investor. Who are the persons are permitted to do the activities are postal agents, retired government and semi-government officials, retired teachers and retired bank officers, then insurance agent, fixed deposit agent, business correspondents appointed by banks. But the most important thing you have to be noted down here, you should have the prior, you check this in distributors mean they have the prior experience on that one, and also you have to be registered as they are the distributor under the AMFI, and you should pass the examination of mutual fund foundation examination. Once you complete this one, then you become the distributors of the this type of product. So what are the type of schemes they can be permitted to do the things means fixed maturity plans, index funds, diversified equity schemes, retirement benefit schemes and liquid schemes. Why it is given means these are all the mostly comparable to other funds that they are the controlled funds, and also the investments are performing in the last 3 years a nominal way that is more and above the benchmark returns. This type of securities are called as they are the performing mutual fund. Though the reason why the AMFI is permitting this types of distributors to make it the sell the products to the riskless investors. Nandri.